Welcome to Ed Talks Daily. I'm your host, Dr. Josh Mack. Today, we're talking about something that can truly change lives. How people with a felony conviction can take steps to restore key rights and remove barriers to opportunities through a legal tool called a Certificate of Relief of Disabilities, or similar programs across the country. Let's start with what this is. A Certificate of Relief of Disabilities does not erase a conviction, but it can reduce the legal impact that conviction may have. It can help restore access to jobs, housing, professional license, and in some states, voting and civic participation. Different states use different names, but the goal is the same: to help people who have completed their time to move forward as full contributing citizens. Several states offer formal programs like this. In New York, there is the Certificate of Relief of Disabilities and the Certificate of Good Conduct. In California, it's called the Certificate of Rehabilitation. In Illinois, a Certificate of Relief from Disabilities. In Ohio, a Certificate of Qualifications for Employment. In North Carolina, a Certificate of Relief. In Arizona, Rights Restoration and Set-Aside Orders. In Connecticut, Pardons and Rehabilitation Certificates. In Nevada, you have Civil Rights Restoration. And finally, Washington, D.C., they also have Certificates of Relief. Now, rules and eligibility are different in every state, so it's important to check your state court website or Department of Corrections page for the most accurate information. Now, let's look at some of the benefits. What can these certificates help with? They may help you access employment and job licensing, housing opportunities, professional certificates, voting rights in some states, jury eligibility, and legal protection for employers who choose to give you a fair chance. This can make a world of difference, and a real difference, when you're rebuilding your life. Here's a simple roadmap to get started. Step 1, check your eligibility. Some states allow you to apply right away. Others require a waiting period. Step 2, gather your documents. This may include proof you've completed your sentence, employment or school records, and letters of support. Step 3, file your application. This is usually done through your local courts. A parole board is also feasible, or a state agency. Step 4, attend a hearing if one is required. And Step 5, once approved, use your certificate. Included with job applications, licensing requests, and housing forms. And here's a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not legal advice. If you need help, reach out to a legal aid organization, a public defender's office, or a reentry nonprofit in your state. Now here's a call to action. If you or someone you know has a criminal record, hear this: your past does not have to define your future. Take one step today. Visit your state court website. Search for Certificate of Relief of Disabilities or Rights Restoration. And if this video helped you, share it, because someone in your network may be one piece of information away from a second chance at life. I'm Dr. Josh Mack. This is Ed Talks Daily. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep moving forward. Have a great day.